Welcome back to Q99M. In this video, we have superheroes, but as delicious snacks. It's going to be a who would you rather, so think hard and decide quickly. You have 5 seconds to make a decision. Remember to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications for more videos. Here we go! Number 1. A Spiderman cake and a Captain cake. Which is better? Number 2. Would you rather eat a Thor cake or a Thanos cake? Number 3. Which cake is cuter? Baby Groot cake or Ironman cake? Number 4. Wow! A Flash donut and Superman donut. Which would you eat faster? Number 5. Who'd be scarier at night? A Hulk donut or a Batman donut? Number 6. Would you rather give your friend a Captain Donut or Wonder Donut? Number 7. Whoa! Here's a Captain Popsicle and a Spiderman Popsicle. Which one do you think would go further if you threw it? Number 8. Which one is cooler? A Super Popsicle or a Thanos Popsicle? Number 9. Which one do you like? A Batman Popsicle or an Iron Man Popsicle? And for the last one, Number 10. Pick one you'd rather have. Doctor Strange's Popsicle or Thor's Popsicle? And that concludes today's episode. Who do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, let your imagination run wild.